Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. And why have the whole world in your hands when you can have the whole galaxy in your hands? This is such a fun decoration if you're going for a space or galaxy themed bedroom, because it's actually so much more than just a decorative ball. It's actually a nightlight. And there's more. It's a nightlight that changes colors. And there's more. It's a nightlight with a remote so you can change the colors all on your own. And there's so many color options to choose from. It has different programs so you can make it change colors on its own at different speeds and different smoothness levels. This is such a beautiful lamp. When they're not holding it and playing with it, it does plug in to charge. On the bottom, there's a charging port, and it plugs in with a USB charger, so your computer or any charging block will do. And then it has a beautiful wooden stand as well. This has been so popular with my daughter. She just loves it. And honestly, I'm a little jealous too, because I think this would look cool in my bedroom. But that's just my point of view.